Hello guys, hello. Hi, I've missed you all. I've missed you all so much. This is your favorite girl, Constance Osita, and I have a very exciting good news for you. In fact, for me, actually, my daddy is coming for Omugwo. My husband just went to the airport now to pick him up, so I can't wait. He might come in anytime from now. He doesn't know I'm videoing him. He doesn't know that he's going to be on camera, so it's going to be awesome. I'll not let him go until I put to bed and he bought the baby for 3 months. My mommy will so much miss him because I'm going to seize her husband. Yes! Wow! I can't wait to see him. They're here. So let's do this. Let's do this. They're here. Okay. Wait. Let's wait for them to open the gate. Who is that? Is this the car? Come. Eh?
After 2 years.
I didn't know, man.
I don't know.
Hey, you're
I never.
Last. Okay, then he cuts me. He's on camera. Let's say hello to the camera.
Yeah, over there.
I'm going to post everything on YouTube.
Okay.
Hi, you're welcome.
Welcome. Yeah.
Hello guys, how are you all doing? How is everything? Hope your day is going well. It's your baby girl Constance Osita and you're welcome to Constance Osita TV. So right now I came to where the factory is. And my daddy is doing his rice because if you want to buy rice, quality Nigerian made rice, just holler at me, okay? So I'm going to show you guys around the factory so that you can see what's up, see what is going on, and then holler at me to ask for how many bags, call any bags of rice you want. Okay, I'm going to start videoing the factory now. Follow me as we do this together. All right, so this is the factory. This is the outside. Let's go. This is my daddy and my husband and my baby. That's my daddy. Yes, this is my father. Here are the bags of rice. Very quality ones. Kalef Rice. The best Nigerian made rice ever. Good quality. Look at very neat background. Very neat. These are Omego Company Rice, also known as Kalef Rice. You can get it very affordable, and I promise you're going to enjoy this rice. It is marketed and distributed by Madam Chika at number 785 opposite Park International Market, Olo, Imo State. For more inquiries, call 070-324-30700 or 080-261-74390. And don't forget that distance is not a barrier, because anywhere you are in this country, we will web it to you. Just place your order and you will have your rice webbed to you. This is the factory where rice is being processed. Omego Company Rice. That we sieve out stones from the rice. As you can see, there are stones in my hand. With this machine now, we remove all the stones. Yes. Stone free. You can see that the stone. Very neat. Anything you want. 100% right. stone in this rice. The best Nigerian made rice. Just look at it. Isn't it not beautiful? Wow. See how it's been done? Wow. Then from here now, it goes to this place. And they will see about the stone. All the stone will be out. From there to here. You get here. How many steps? Plenty steps. Plenty steps for it to get to that side. Where it gets to this place. See, man? All this. That. Wow. Then this is the final stage where it's being packaged and all. Don't forget, if you want to buy your rice, yes. Yes, so. No stone, stone free. And when you cook it, you rice 1 cup will fill the pot. Yeah. I'm telling you. So just holler at me to buy plenty bags of rice. Yes, so Nigerian Company Rice. Very affordable, very cheap, and you enjoy it. By my father, Chief John Umberry. Omego, one of Omugwo. Yes, so. Wow. Very beautiful factory. Very, very. Wow. This is the cleaner. This one cleans the rice. Very pure, very neat. Nigerian made company rice. Wow. Well done, sir. Good afternoon. Fine, thanks. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? You're producing rice, right? Neat night. What's your name? Abdullahi. Wow. Everywhere is very neat. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Bigger factories, small factories. And good size and small size. These are small size grades. They want food grade. That's what they're doing.
Audible.
These are small particles, broken particles of rice.
Okay, small particles of rice.
Yes, they're not to full size. No, that's small. They're being sorted out here. While the main grades are pushed here, the small particles are
On the preview, audible.
main grades are bigger grades are being pushed to this end.
Okay, bigger grains goes to this place.
Why smaller grades put this back like this one? You can
Okay.
see.
This one's not no good, but these small grains
They're
are
good, but they're still they're small grades.
okay. They are good, but they are small grains. Then the big grains go to this one, and then come to this bag. Okay. Why the small grains goes to this one? Wow. You guys are huh? You guys are doing a great job here. I'm so proud of you people. Huh? Color soccer. Wow.
Removing the dirty part. Ones are not white.
Okay.
Yeah, remove them from the.
So the ones that are colored, they will remove it from the main rice,
Yes,
Abi?
they are pure white.
Okay.
This one that you have there are pure white.
Oh, very nice. So what's your name, young man?
I am Mr. Ima. OC King Enterprise.
OC King Enterprise. So what are you doing here with your father-in-law?
Yeah, we are here to hustle. Someone hustle. We are here in production of rice.
Okay, here to produce rice.
Yes.
Keep it up. Your daughter, ma? Dancing. Hey. How are you? You're producing rice, ma? Alright, let's go outside. A lot in there. I'm in a bumble, no. Yeah, I don't know how you.
I'm John Berry.
Okay.
Omego one of Omego.
Okay.
Come on.
You come one of Omona.
Yes.
I'm seeing now whereby everywhere the meat, no.
Yes. I got you well.
My stone free, or maybe for color, everything.
I'm a sure of my care like you go in the rice to the West Time. No more rice or foreign rice. All the just is now. Even a candle rice ever. That's the best rice so far. Even though the chocolate is over there. I never have said that. Everyone I know. I got the first player who's playing all over. So I'm going to rice out the park. I should go rice for them there. So they're about to the end of the new year.
Okay.
And what did I say for Kayam? Well, you were going out for about 6-7 cooler. Right, one back. They share. That's a price. That's the best rice so far. As of now.
So you're going to remember now, you have grow rice.
Cheapest price.
Cheapest, very affordable. Anywhere. Nolo? Okay. International market all. Okay. Okay. What's about another? I couldn't nine here. Osna rice are very affordable, very neat. No bleach on the rice. Right here now they are measuring the rice. They are measuring the rice. They will measure it here and they will seal it here. Wow. Very neat. Affordable rice. Stone free. One cup will fill your pot. 1 cup of rice on our farm. As we when I put on our food, it's she of food everywhere. It's in a occasional village. Just not buying a phone. Of our buyers to be sure of each issue. On our food everywhere, on our food. All alone ever, on nowhere, on nature. Probably Coronga. Just what you come one of food. What's Omego? Or big rice at affordable price, no stone. Buy one and take me later. Yes, so as you can see, they are done with the factory figuring and as you can see, everything is very neat, stone free, very clean environment. This rice you are seeing there is Nigerian made company rice. Make sure that instead of you to go outside the country to buy rice, waste your time importing rice, just call out. A phone call away to get a bag of rice. Very affordable, stone free, and the rice is very, very qualitative. When you book 1 cup, it will full everywhere. So we have occasions like marriage, birthdays, burial, just name it. Very easy to holler at us, and we'll send you the rice. We'll be anywhere in the country, we'll be to you in Nigeria, anywhere you are. Just mention what you want. How many bags you want the rice, and they will wait it anywhere. It's in Onitsha, it's in Owerri, it's in Olu. That everywhere is very neat. Affordable Nigerian made rice, stone free, and it is the best so far. Don't miss out. Okay? Call us for